am Craig Rich.
America, stay tuned. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss this one. These idiots.
Yeah, I came from the block, Golden Grove, little fed Remington, we don't stop. On them street light nights to the dreams I got. I remember everything, yeah, I never forgot. I am Craig Rich, yeah, the name ring loud. On the last, cause the lessons made me stand up proud. Now I carry them days every time I drive. I remember where I'm from. I see you at the
Boiling water prank on my boyfriend.
I just saw this girl throw boiling water on her boyfriend for a challenge on the internet. A fucking challenge. Hot boiling water. See, this is why I don't trust social media no more. Back in the day, challenges was like the ice bucket challenge. Now it's attempted murder with Wi-Fi. And why dude just standing there, the second I hear a pot of boiling water behind me, I'm turning into fucking Batman. Ain't no way somebody walking towards me holding steam like they cooking collard greens and I'm just relaxed. And you know, she probably said, babe, trust me. Hell fucking no, bitch. The last time somebody said, trust me, somebody ended up trending on Twitter. Then after that, she threw it. She's screaming. It was just a prank. Prank. Ma'am, that man's seasonings came off. Black people don't even play with hot noodles correctly. And y'all out here throwing boiling water on people? Yo, if my girl ever walked towards me with a boiling pot and a smile, I'm calling the police, Jesus, and my mama at the same time, because I'm about to kill this bitch. Tell me in the comments right now, would you stay in that relationship after that? Or nah?